Yo, good morning, YouTube. As promised, I was gonna figure out how much oil was in that Suzuki. Oh, by the way, I'm Zan. And that's his 1981 Suzuki GS650GL. It says L on the side cover, says G on the engine. We're calling it a GL for now. This is the oil change I did. If you watched the previous video, and I said, man, it seems like there's a lot of oil in here. Well, I filled up a 5-quart jug, and I still have that much left. So that thing had double the amount of oil it needed? The hell? No wonder I'm having trouble running. So, I'm pretty sure oil's gotten into place it shouldn't be, well, it shouldn't be sitting in. So there's a lot of questions I have for this engine now. We're going to take some of the top end apart. We're going to take the carbs apart. We're going to do a lot more, but I just want to show you guys how much oil we still have. This fiber, I don't know if you can see in there, pretty much the top and all this left. So we're gonna dump all this oil, all this used oil, and we're gonna make sure that it's recycled properly. But we're gonna clean this up. Okay, until next time, I'm gonna keep finding weird engines.